Nakhon Ratchasima is the largest province in Thailand. The land has known ancient settlements since prehistoric times. Remarkable archaeological sites are there for all to see, the splendid heritage of the people of this region. People take great pride in the extensive old natural forests of Nakhon Ratchasima province, especially at Khao Yai National Park, which has been officially recognized as a Natural World Heritage Site. Nakhon Ratchasima is an important destination for vacationers in search of adventure in these magnificent natural forests. Nakhon Ratchasima is home to the Wangnam Kiao district. The atmosphere in this area has unusually high levels of ozone. Life is happier for those who spend more time in the midst of nature. Let Nakhon Ratchasima be a doorway for you to the greatness of Thailand's forests. Come blossom and thrive like a mountain stream and be amazed by the green growing world and the incredible forest wildlife. Come celebrate the beauty of nature once in a lifetime.